Mom, I want to ride that Ferris wheel.
No, not riding. Last time you rode it, you were so happy. But then you got dizzy and felt terrible.
Okay, Mom, what about riding these little cars?
No, you still don't know how to drive. Last time you rode, you spun around, hit the wall, and broke the car.
Okay, Mom, can we get some popcorn then?
No, we don't have money.
Why is everything always no, Mom? I want to play like the other kids.
I'm telling you, you won't get to play until your friends like and subscribe.